1972 Chevrolet C10 Custom Cab here at Unique Specialty in Classics. Underneath the hood, 350 V8 power, so small block Chevy. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Both have recently been rebuilt, not a ton of miles on them. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the chrome in the front bumper. Grille, headlight bezels, bright work up front, looking good. As you can see, custom paint with a medium green metallic upper, silver lower, and then that two-tone black and red combination kind of down the midriff of the truck, breaking up the two colors. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see it from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, bed, truck from every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see it. Take your time looking through the still pics. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Disc brakes up front. American Racing polished wheels. Kind of remind me of center lines. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. See, a bed liner has been sprayed in. Paint has a nice shine to it. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. We're also going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. As you can see, LED tail lights, dual exhaust. FYI, there is a battery disconnect underneath the hood, and I'll show you where that is in a second too. You'll want to turn that off when the truck is not being driven or in use. And once again, all those still pics, UniqueClassicCars.com. Tell you what, if you like Chevy trucks, no matter what year, what style, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a little peek at this interior. We have a custom installed 40-20-40 split bench seat. We also have power windows here, and those power windows are working. There you can see that seat I'm talking about with the fold down armrest, so basically 40-20-40 split bench. Pioneer aftermarket stereo system has been added. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Holley 4-barrel on this one, HEI ignition. We're going to go look at that here in just a second. Good look at the padded dash. You can see stereo powered up. Visors in place. Door closes nicely, and let's listen. A little rumble coming out of that 350 small block Chev. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood open, check out the engine bay, and then, like I said, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. There's that Holley 4-barrel I just mentioned. MSD ignition. The polished and bright work underneath here also. Headers. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. There's the battery disconnect I was talking about. You want to turn that off when it is not in use. Running smooth, sounding good. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Custom Cab. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available, of course. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1972 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck in a very vibrant green color with some silver on the sides, silver on the dash. Great looking truck. Great sounding truck. Starts up and runs nicely and easily right away. Nice tight steering, which means there is no slack. A little bit of squeak in the clutch pedal. That can be fixed with some lube. Manual transmission for the most fun. There's a Pioneer stereo in the dash. Our temperature gauge looks to be original. It's just coming up off of cold. The battery gauge is charging over halfway. The oil pressure is about 2/3 of the way up on the gauge. That's good. Now the fuel gauge reads empty. You're going to want to take a look at the retail report and see what gauges are actually functional. Nice, clean look to this truck. The stance with those wheels, very nice aftermarket wheels. Even though it appears lowered a little bit, the ride is not harsh. It's a nice ride. Kind of a rally look to this steering wheel. Kind of reminds me of like maybe a Chevelle steering wheel would be. Excellent power steering, very easy to steer. Great visibility from a truck. This style of Chevy, one of my favorites. If you like the 67 to 72 style Chevys, check this one out. Uniqueclassiccars.com.